Hi, I'm David Kaplan. I'm the Associate Director of the Center for Coastal Solutions, and I'm a hydrologist. What I'm working on right now is connecting watersheds and coastal systems to better understand how what we do on the landscape affects coastal water quality and the health of our coastal ecosystems. It's a cliche to say that water is life. We also like to add on to that water quality is health. And so doing the work here to understand how our coastlines are changing and how we can better adapt to stressors is fundamental to being a Floridian. I think the most exciting thing about my work is that the science we're producing is actually getting used. It's being used by agencies, it's being used by nonprofits, environmental advocates, planners to understand how to make the best decisions for Florida coasts and people moving forward. Without ecosystems to support the healthy environment, we won't have that clean water. Being able to be in nature, to enjoy the quiet peace, the sort of fundamental value of our natural ecosystems is just part of being human, and it's something I hope we can support with the work we do here at the center.